Hi guys, today I'm going to tell you guys some grinding tips in Adopt Me. Hot bars. Hotbar helps us to take stuff more faster. I recommend you guys to put a stroller, a grappling hook and a throw toy. Food. I know that a lot of people grind while turning into a baby to get more bucks. In the pizza shop, all of these food in the bins only take one bite to finish them. Stands. Stands can help you to earn bucks easily. You can put all of your food and drinks stand together. I recommend you guys to put your stand on the main map because a lot of people will go there. You guys should set the prices to $1 to $5 because people won't get your food if it's too expensive. A grinding place. You don't need to decorate your grinding place so beautiful. You can only put one food bowl, one water bowl, one baby crib, one bathtub, and one piano. A bouncy house. A bouncy house can help you to do the walking task and the riding task. With the bouncy house, you can do those two tasks without even touching the screen. So this is the end of the video. I know it's a little bit short. Hope this helps. Bye guys.